Hello and welcome to this online College of Coding video tutorial series. This is video 5 in the series on intermediate programming concepts. In this video we'll be looking at using some of the functions that come with your game engine. Before watching this video, it's recommended that you've seen some of the other videos in the series. Let's get started. A function is a set of instructions, all crammed into one line of code, that can be used with ease and without the need to retype blocks of code. When using or calling a function, you need to consider two things. What values does the function need from you, and what values will the function return to you? Most functions need to be given information to carry out the tasks they perform. These can be numbers for calculations or variables to modify. In GameMaker, this extra information is referred to as arguments, while more commonly, Unity and its scripting languages use the term parameter. The two words, though, are virtually interchangeable. To find out what arguments you will need to supply for a function, you can use IntelliSense. As you type the name of the function, IntelliSense pops up and you can see the parameters that you will require in the brackets, almost like an example. Some functions return values to you, like the arithmetic operators do. A common example is GameMaker's instance create function, which returns the unique ID of the instance that it creates. You can use this as a link to specific instances within your running game. Some functions require no parameters. These just get called as IntelliSense shows with empty brackets. Using functions in any project is a must. You will gain access to a whole lot more functionality to use within your games. Be sure to tune in to our next tutorial, where we take a look at the conventions you need to uphold as a programmer. See you next time.